I have got good results after using Abhiman and Opex. My name is Praveen. I live in Bangalore. I saw about this APKS company on Facebook. First I bought the medicine Abhiman and used it. Then I used Opex. I have given 2 doses and all the leaves have become green. And the fruits have started to bear more. The results are very good after using this. I hope everyone should use this and benefit from it.